Look at this. Look at the view, guys. Look at the view. Phone is the fault. Mami, ayos na posture. Pwede ka na water.
Wala pang pakalitan sa...
Guys, I have Takis right now. I have my bag for kanita. Look, I have chips. Mommy, look, hot Cheetos and Takis. Off brands. Ayun. Look at our tubig, guys. A lot. I always read it. Mom, is this rock or... Oh, it's just like... I'm gonna put it here. So guys, as you can see, we have Takis and some hot Cheetos, aka cheesy and the off-brand Takis from Daddy. Because like hot Cheetos, I mean like cheesy and the hot Cheetos are literally the same, just like the off-brand. Look how similar the Takis are. The whole bit. Let's go with the whole bit. Oh, one's Taki. You got the video. What's the video? Uwi na tayo. Tara. Tara. Let's look at the shape. Huh? Daddy.
Dati kasi 50 pesos pwede na.
It makes me want to cry. I got my... mulan.
Tama na, pizzeria tapos ice cream. Tapos na, ano?
Mami, what are you giving to the
Bigyan mo na ng ulo. Hallelujah.
Guys, we're gonna give it to the fish. I just ate the ice cream. Let's see if nagkakagulo sila. Kita ba? Wait lang.